Hi guys, it's Miss Gomes. So today we are going to be looking at a new website called Phet Simulations. These are different games and Phets that you can do to help you improve on different activities like math, science, social studies. There's a ton of different things that you can click on and a ton of different games that you can play to help you out with different activities. So this is the homepage. We are going to go to simulations and you can see it says like physics, biology, chemistry. It's got all the different types of activities that you would need. So we're going to click on by grade level, and since we're in elementary school, we're going to start with that. And as you can see, there's so many different things you can click on. There is magnet and compass, there's maze games, the moving man. There's all different kinds of subjects that you can click on. Today we are going to work on math, so I'm going to show you maybe building a fraction. So we're going to click on that, and then we're going to press play. Wait for it to load. Alright, so as you can see, this one in building a fraction has different levels. So there's build a fraction, there's mixed numbers, and then you can also do like a lab with a little bit of both. Today we're just going to start with build a fraction, and we're going to just start with level 1 so that it's pretty simple to begin with. So on this one, it wants you to build these three fractions over here using your numbers down here. So for 1/3, I'm going to put 1 there and bring it over here. And look, it makes that noise if you got it right. Next, we're going to make 1/2, which is this one over here. So we're going to do that, and then check it again. And then next is 3/3, and 3/3 is 1 whole. Put that there, and go. So then you got that right. So then you would press next, and you can see over here that we have 3 more. So now we're going to make those. Let's see what it does if you get one wrong. So we're going to put 1/2, but we're going to put it on the 1/4 one to see. Oh. So if you get it wrong, it shoots it back. So let's try again. 1/2 goes here. There you go. And then we have 1/4 goes there and right there. And then you have 2/4. So we're going to take 2 of these and put them next to each other. Right there. So there's a bunch of different levels that you can go through, and you can just try all of these and it'll get harder as you go along. Some of the other Phets that you could work on, we could try like mixed numbers or the lab. So if we click on this one and start at level 1, you can do 2 and 1/4. So that means you have 1, then you press the +1 to just get another one, and you do 1 more, and then you can just do 1/4. And as you drag it, it all goes at once. And there you go. So you got that right. I really like Phet Simulations because there's so many different things that you can work on. You can do science, social studies, and it's just a really good tool for kids to use when like being confused or wanting more practice. And it's also really fun, and there's a lot of different ways that you can go about it, and I just think it's a really, really good tool, and I hope that you guys take the chance to check out Phet and hope you like it. Bye!